Seeing sync paused in Messages? This means iMessage syncing between your Apple devices has stopped. Causes include network issues, low storage, or outdated software. In this video, we'll cover 9 fixes to restore syncing. Part 1. Why does it say syncing paused on iMessage? Weak internet. Syncing pauses without a stable connection. iCloud issues. Authentication, payment, or verification problems. Low power mode. Stops background syncing. Full iCloud. No space for new messages. iOS glitches. Temporary system errors. Part 2. How to fix syncing paused on iMessage. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Fix 2. Reset network settings. Fix 3. Sign out and sign in again. Fix 4. Verify your iCloud account. Fix 5. Free up iCloud storage space. Fix 6. Ensure messages in iCloud is enabled. Fix 7. Disable low power mode. Fix 8. Update iOS to the latest version. Fix 9. Restart your device. Part 3. How to sync or back up iMessages without iCloud. Tired of iMessage sync issues? MobiKin Assistant for iOS is a great alternative to transfer and back up iMessages on Windows or Mac. Just open the app, click Export, and start transferring. No tech skills needed. Step 1. Install and open Assistant for iOS. Then connect your iPhone via USB. Follow prompts to detect your device. Step 2. Click Messages to scan and preview conversations. Step 3. Select Messages and click Export to save them to your computer.